On February 18, 22, Mesa, Arizona officers responded to a house fire near Gilbert Road and Southern Avenue.
Is anybody else in there? Huh? There's kids? In this one? Is this connected?
I don't know.
What about in the back? Where's he at?
They're in the back room.
I'm told that there's kids and a female inside. They're in the back of the apartment.
The building wasn't empty. 2 young girls were inside, screaming for help. That's when Good Samaritan Jonathan Baez arrived.
We got people back here. Come to the window! Come to the window! Do we have a ladder or anything?
No, I don't have a ladder.
Are they spraying fire?
The kids are in here.
Get a ladder. Is there a ladder? Where? Who else is in the room with her? Pull it. Pull it out. Come on. Tell him to come to the window. Come on. Hey. 2-19 call fire. We need water in this window. We got kids.
You're still on channel 1. Are you able to switch over to Adam 7?
2-19, tell them we need water in this furthest west window. We got babies.
They rescued a 2-year-old girl, but her 6-year-old sister was still trapped and needed immediate help.
Give it to me! Give it away! Give it to me! Give it to me! I got it. Go! Come on, baby. Come on. I got you. Who else is up there? Okay. Where's your sister? I'm gonna go up front.
I might have caught her.
That's okay. I need medic.
Someone's coffee. Here's someone's coffee. Hey, do you have mask? Is there another kid in there? There's not. Hey, come here, boss. Come towards me. You got a kid?
Get out.
There's a kid in here. Come out here. Let's go. No.
Hey, come here.
Oh. We just had a citizen come into the back window. I'll fire an adult inside the back side.
Let me see. Give me the baby.
Here.
It's okay. Get on out.
Blackberry 16, I got the girl out. Male is now coming out as well. Get on out, boss.
Both children and the officers were treated for smoke inhalation, and Jonathan Baez was honored by city officials for his heroism.
She from the room.
Unconscious?
No. I need a medic.
Over here. Yes, thank you. It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby.
When I heard the kids, I definitely thought about my daughter. So I would rather burn myself than to just stand there and watch them burn.
On August 3rd, 2020, 3 officers responded to a car theft and domestic violence incident. Stephen Jimenez, 39, stole a car after a dispute, removed his ankle monitor, and fled down State Road 63 with an officer chasing him.
10-4 in my location. I'm gonna be going south on 63. We're almost to I-25. If somebody can set up some spikes right there. He's on the opposite lane of travel right now. He is all over the roadway. He's going down Caballo lane and he's turning around.
Jimenez triggered an aggravated battery charge when he hit the officer's car. even though the damage seemed minor, as a car is considered a deadly weapon. But he wasn't done yet.
He's trying to ram me off the road. He just crashed me. He's trying to get me to pull over. He just rammed me. 3, we're coming up on the 1 mile marker. He's in the opposite lane of travel right now. I think I'm gonna pit him because he's literally in opposite lane. Are there any units closer to me so I can pit him and we can contain the vehicle? He's in opposite lane of travel right now. He's putting other people in danger. 10-4, looks like he's slowing down. He's gonna take Old Denver Highway. 10-4, he's not gonna take Old Denver Highway. He has a tire iron. Bellini, stop. 146 income. There's a biker. No, he just. Get off the road. Okay, get off the road. He's dangerous. Get off the road. 146 income. He is still driving down 63. We're going towards into Pecos. He attempted to hit a person on a bike. 146 income. There are more people on the bikes. I'm gonna hit him head on. 146 income. He's still going. He's crashing my vehicle intentionally as well.
Jimenez then exited the vehicle and tried to run on foot. However, before fleeing, he took the opportunity to further damage the officer's cruiser.
146 income, he's running at me. Stop! I'm gonna fucking tase you, dude. Stop! Stop!
Back up!
Stop!
Back up!
Stop!
A courageous bystander notices the chaos unfolding and decides to stop, offering assistance to the officer in need.
Stop! Stop! Don't let him get in! Stop, stop!
I got him. I'm gonna
tase you. What's your problem?
I'm diabetic.
Stop resisting.
Let me alone. Just let me go. Get it out.
Turn.
Dude. Stop, you fucking bitch. No.
I'm gonna fucking tase you. Stop.
No,
Stop.
you're driving everything.
Stop trying to bite me. 146 income, 1 mile detained. We're on 63 at the 2.
Jimenez was booked into the San Miguel County Detention Center on 9 charges, including aggravated battery on an officer, car theft, and reckless driving. He faces up to 13 years in prison and $27,000 in fines if convicted. On September 10, 2020, Officer Stacy Wright stopped 64-year-old David Kubek for speeding on Last Nation Road in Willoughby, and he was determined to make the stop unforgettable.
812 radio traffic stop. Why are you getting out of the car, sir?
I gotta get my driver's license.
12 radio, this male just stepped out of the vehicle. Step over here now. Have a seat.
I'm not sitting!
Back up! Back up!
I'm not sitting, motherfucker!
We're getting physical. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not...
Touch the vehicle. Put your hands on the vehicle now!
The struggle could have ended badly for either the officer or the offender, but luckily, some brave citizens stopped to help.
Radio, send me units. Roll over on your stomach now. Fucking ground.
Knock it off, man. Knock it off now.
Behind your back. Okay, get your cuffs. Get your cuffs. Get your cuffs.
Shut up.
You don't do that to a woman. Don't do that to a woman. All right, you raised you.
All right.
You're good up here. You're good.
Male's detained at this time. Could you slide?
Stand up. Walk back to my car.
David Kubek was charged with assaulting an officer, resisting arrest, speeding, and not wearing a seatbelt. He faces up to 8 years in prison and $16,180 in fines if convicted.
A will-be police officer attacked during a traffic stop. Now, David Kubek, who pleaded guilty to attempted assault of that police officer, will face jail time. He appeared before a Lake County judge on Tuesday for his sentencing.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you never miss an update.